Hey there, folks. Welcome to the thrilling world of courtroom drama. Okay, maybe not so thrilling, but definitely important. The courtroom is where the principles of justice are put to the test, where laws are interpreted, and where the fate of individuals can be decided. Look, dealing with the legal system can be intimidating, right? The sheer complexity of legal jargon and procedures can make anyone feel overwhelmed. It's like trying to order a pizza in Klingon confusing and nobody understands you. The legal language can feel like a foreign dialect and the stakes are much higher than just getting your dinner order wrong. But here's the thing, you have rights, even when it feels like the system is rigged against you. These rights are your shield, your protection against injustice. And knowing those rights, that's like having a cheat code for this crazy game. It empowers you to navigate the system with confidence and assert your position. It's about understanding that you're not just some pawn in a black robes game. The judge may preside over the courtroom, but you have a voice and a role to play. You're a player, and you deserve respect and fairness. The legal system is designed to serve justice, and that includes ensuring that your rights are upheld. One of the most powerful concepts you can embrace is being sui juris. This means you are capable of managing your own legal affairs without the need for a guardian or representative. It's Latin for of one's own right, which basically means you're calling the shots in your own life. You have the autonomy to make decisions and take actions that affect your legal standing. You're not relying on someone else, like a lawyer, to make decisions for you. While legal advice can be invaluable, the ultimate authority over your case rests with you. Now, I'm not saying lawyers are bad. They can be helpful, like a GPS when you're lost in legal wilderness. They provide guidance and help you understand the terrain, but you're the driver, and you get to choose the destination. You decide the direction of your legal journey and make the critical decisions along the way. Being sui juris is about owning your case, understanding the rules of the game, and advocating for yourself effectively. It's about being informed, prepared, and proactive in your legal matters. It's about taking control and demanding that the system treats you with the dignity and respect you deserve. By knowing your rights and standing firm, you ensure that justice is not just a concept, but a reality in your life. Let's be honest, the administrative court system can feel like a labyrinth designed by M.C. Escher after a long weekend. The intricate corridors and endless paperwork can make even the most straightforward case feel like an unsolvable puzzle. It's confusing, frustrating, and often seems designed to wear you down. The sheer volume of paperwork alone can be overwhelming, not to mention the legal jargon that seems to require a law degree just to understand. We're talking about systems that handle family law, traffic violations, small claims, areas where everyday people are most likely to find themselves tangled in legal red tape. These are the courts that touch the lives of ordinary citizens, often during some of their most stressful moments. One of the biggest problems, it's not a level playing field. The scales of justice often tip in favor of those with more resources. The system is often tilted in favor of the government or powerful institutions. These entities have the means to hire experienced legal teams who know the ins and outs of the system. They have more resources, more lawyers, and they know the ins and outs of the system better than anyone. This gives them a significant advantage over individuals who may be representing themselves or relying on overburdened public defenders. It's like bringing a spork to a gunfight. The disparity in resources can make it feel like an uphill battle from the start. And let's not forget the impact this has on families. The emotional toll of legal battles can be devastating. Custody battles, child support disputes, these issues are emotionally charged and incredibly high stakes. The outcomes of these cases can shape the future of families and children. But the system, with its delays, its jargon, and its often impersonal approach, can feel like it's adding fuel to the fire. The wait times and procedural complexities can exacerbate an already stressful situation. It's crucial to remember that you're not alone in this. There are support groups and communities that understand what you're going through. Thousands of people are facing similar challenges, and there are resources available to help you navigate this complex and often overwhelming system. Legal aid organizations, community help centers, and online resources can provide guidance and support. Don't hesitate to reach out and seek the help you need to make your way through this maze. All right. So how do you even begin to fight back against this bureaucratic behemoth? The legal system can seem overwhelming, but there are strategies you can use to navigate it effectively. 2 words: make the record. This is your first line of defense and your most powerful tool. Think of it like this. Everything that's said in court, every document submitted, it all becomes part of the official record of your case. This record is a detailed account of the proceedings and can be pivotal in future legal battles. That record is like the transcript of a trial, and it can be used later on in appeals or other legal proceedings. It's essentially the backbone of your case, providing a clear and comprehensive history of what transpired. So, how do you make the record work for you? Be meticulous. Every detail matters, and ensuring that everything is accurately recorded can make a significant difference. Object to unfair questions or procedures. This is crucial because if you don't object, you may lose the right to challenge those issues later. Make sure your objections are clearly stated on the record. This means being precise and articulate about why you believe something is unfair or incorrect. Don't be afraid to speak up and politely but firmly advocate for yourself. Your voice is your most powerful tool in the courtroom. And then there's discovery, which is just a fancy legal term for finding out what the other side knows. This phase is all about gathering information. This is where you get to request documents, emails, and other evidence from the opposing party. It's a critical part of building your case. Think of it as legal espionage, but instead of cool gadgets, you have subpoenas. These legal tools compel the other side to provide the information you need. The information you gather during discovery can be crucial in building your case and exposing any weaknesses in the other side's arguments. It's about uncovering the truth and ensuring that all relevant facts are brought to light. It's about leveling the playing field and ensuring that you have all the information you need to fight for your rights effectively. By being thorough and strategic, you can turn the tide in your favor and navigate the complexities of the legal system with confidence. Section 4. Sui Juris versus Pro Se. Understanding the difference. Now, let's clear up some confusion about the terms sui juris and pro se. They're often used interchangeably, but there's a subtle but important difference. Pro se simply means you're representing yourself in court. You're your own lawyer. It's a legal term that basically means on one's own behalf. Being sui juris is more of a mindset, a declaration of your sovereignty. It's about understanding that you are the ultimate authority in your own life, and that you have the right to make decisions about your own legal affairs. It's about taking responsibility for your own case and not being afraid to stand up for what you believe in. Think of it this way. You can be pro se without being sui juris, going through the motions of representing yourself without truly understanding or embracing your inherent rights. But if you're truly sui juris, you're automatically pro se because you're taking ownership of your legal battle. Section 5. Undisputed testimony, the power of truth in court. Here's a truth bomb for you. In the courtroom, undisputed testimony often becomes fact. What does that mean? It means that if you say something and the other side doesn't challenge it or present evidence to the contrary, the court can accept your statement as true. This is where preparation and clear, concise communication are key. Know your case inside and out. Be ready to back up your claims with evidence. And remember, the court is a formal setting. Leave the jokes and casual language at the door. Speak clearly, respectfully, and directly to the judge or jury. Your credibility is crucial, and presenting yourself as well prepared and truthful can significantly impact the outcome of your case. Remember, the truth is on your side. By presenting your case with confidence and clarity, you can ensure that your voice is heard and that justice is served.